Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to MathMads YouTube channel where learning math is made easier. Today, let's try to solve some of the 3-mark problems. The problem is like this. In the given figure, if angle ACB is equal to angle CDA, AC is equal to 6 centimeter and AD is equal to 3 centimeter, find the length of AB. So what is the first thing they have given? Angle ACB is equal to angle CDA. Let us try to identify it. Angle ACB. Okay, so the whole angle ACB, whole angle, next, is equal to angle CDA. CDA, so this angle. So both of them are equal. AC is equal to 6 centimeter. AC is 6 centimeter. AD is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, so we have to find the length of this whole line AB. Okay, now if you can see here, nothing is given parallel here, no parallel lines here, so you can't apply basic proportionality theorem. So now what you have to do, you have to observe and you have to prove two triangles are similar. Okay, now how many triangles are there here? Maybe 3 or 4, but in that triangle we have to identify two triangles such that angle C is included, angle D is included. Why? Because they have given something to us, right? Angle ACB, let's try to mark angle ACB. So this is the angle ACB is here. If I ask you, to which triangle does angle ACB belong? It will belong to the whole triangle, right? Angle ABC. So in this triangle, angle C will be there. So this is the first triangle. Let's write it down. Triangle ABC. You have identified the first triangle. You need one more triangle. Which is the other angle? Angle CDA. Where is it? It's here, right? Angle CDA. This part. Right. So these are the two triangles which you are going to consider, and the other triangle is triangle CDA. What should we do now? We have to prove that they both are similar, then we can go forward. So in triangle ABC and triangle CDA, we already know one of the angle, both of them are equal. Write the same thing. Angle ACB is equal to angle CDA. Why? Because it is given. It is given. Now you need one more thing to prove that both of them are similar. How can you identify the other angle? Okay, we have ABC, we have CDA. Here also I'll give you another hint. You have angle A here in this triangle. You have angle, the same angle in the other triangle as well. So can you consider it as a common angle? Yes. So angle CAD is equal to angle CAB, because it is a common angle. Now from which criteria can we tell that both the triangles are similar? By AA criteria. So by AA criteria, we have triangle ABC is similar to. Now comes the important part. You have written triangle ABC here, but you have to match the other triangle with angles. That is the order you have to follow. So triangle ABC. Which angle is equal to A here? A is equal to A because both of them are common angles. So triangle A, we don't know which angle B is equal to, so we'll just skip to the next thing, that is C. C is equal to D, correct? Angle C is equal to angle D. So I'll just write D here. Which is the remaining thing? This is triangle ABC. The other thing remaining here is C. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle ACD. Now what should you do? Since you know that these are similar, you will take the ratios. How do you take the ratios? AB by AC is equal to BC by CD is equal to AC by AD. Now consider two ratios such that you have only one unknown and all the three things are known to you. What do you know? You know AB, you don't know AB, so that is unknown. AB, you know AC, yes, you know AC. 6 is equal to BC, I don't know, BC I don't know, CD also I don't know. I'll just ignore this. The other thing left is AC by AD. AC is 6 centimeter by AD. AD is 3 centimeter. Okay, so the only unknown here is AB. So now 6 into 6 is 36. 3AB is equal to 36. You can cancel 3 and 36. So 3 ones are 3 12s are. So the length of AB is 12 centimeters. So now let's solve the second problem. In the given figure, BC is parallel to PQ. BC is equal to 8 centimeter, PQ is 4, BA is 6.5, AP is 2.8. So to avoid time constraint, I have just filled it for you in the diagram. We have to find CA and AQ. So which are the two sides we have to find? We have to find CA, this side, and we have to find AQ. Okay. Now identify two triangles which include these two sides. Even if you search, you just have two triangles here. Which are the two triangles? The first one is triangle PQA. So we'll just write it down. Triangle PQA. And which is the other triangle? Triangle ACB. Triangle ACB. Now, they have given the values, but with the values, they have also given that PQ is parallel to BC. Correct? So we have just written it here. PQ is parallel to BC. So whenever parallel line comes, your best friend alternate angle comes into picture. So we'll identify the alternate angles. If I consider Q to be equal to angle 1, then which is the alternate angle for Q? It is B. Correct? So I'll just name it as angle 2. Now, one more angle. If I consider angle P to be equal to 3, now the alternate angle for angle P is angle C. So I can just write this as angle 4. So in triangle PQ and triangle ACB, what is the first thing I can write? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. From the diagram, you can make out which are the alternate angles. So both of them are alternate angles, and this is enough for you to tell that both the triangles are similar, which is the criteria by AA criteria. Okay, by AA criteria, you have triangle. The first triangle I will write as it is PQA is similar to. Now, you have to follow the order. Which angle is angle P equal to? Angle P is equal to angle C. So we'll just write it here, angle C. I'll just make this a little bit small. Okay. Q is equal to which angle? Q is equal to B. So I'll write it. The remaining thing is A. So I'll just write A here. Okay. What should you do? You should find the length of CA and AQ. To find the length, you need the sides in proportion. So let's identify the sides which are in proportion. PQ and CB. So PQ by CB is equal to PA by CA. PA by CA is equal to QA by BA. QA by BA. Now let's fill all the informations here. What you know about PQ? PQ is 4 by BC is 8 is equal to PA is 2.8 by CA. Okay, CA is what you have to find, is equal to. The next thing is QA by BA. QA is what? Unknown. BA is 6.5. Now, what we'll do is, we have two unknowns here, CA and QA. So first, we'll consider these two ratios, find out CA. Next, we'll try to consider this ratio and this ratio. Then we'll find QA. Okay, so we have to do two cases here. So the first case, let us just consider these two things. So we have 4 by 8 is equal to 2.8 by CA. So if you cancel this, 4 ones are 4 twos are 2.8 into 2 is 5.6. So we'll be getting CA is equal to 5.6 centimeter. Now, which is the second thing which you have to find? The second thing is QA. So I'll just erase this thing. This is done. So the next thing is QA. So again, consider the first ratio and the third ratio. So you have 4 by 8 is equal to QA by 6.5. Correct? So 4 ones are 4 twos are. So if you cross multiply, you have 6.5 is equal to twice QA. So if you cancel this, 2 ones are 2, 3.25. So 3.25 is your QA. QA you have found and CA is here. So the last problem in 3 marks questions is, in triangle ABC, if X and Y are points on AB and AC. Okay, X and Y are points on AB and AC, such that AX by XP is equal to 3 by 4, AY is 5 and YC is 9. We'll just join this. AX by XP is 3 by 4. Okay, AY is 5 and YC is 9 centimeter. Then what is given? Then state whether XY and BC are parallel or not. So we have to check whether this line XY and this line BC are parallel or not. If you can observe here, they are asking the converse of basic proportionality theorem. They have given the values of sides, they have given the ratio of sides. They want us to check whether XY is parallel to BC. Now, how do we do that? We have to check whether the sides is getting divided in the same ratio. Which are the two sides? For AB, it is AX by XB. Correct? What is it equal to? It is equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Okay. Now, the other side, AC is getting divided to two things, that is AY by YC. We know the values of both of them, that is 5 by 9. Okay. Now, if you can see, AX by XB, according to basic proportionality theorem, AX by XB should be equal to AY by YC. Only then you can tell XY is parallel to BC. But are they equal here? They are not equal. So you can just write AX by XB is not equal to AY by YC. So XY is not parallel to BC.